Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm so glad you guys came back to watch another great recipe from Mike and Pam. And by the way, Pam is behind the camera again.
Hello again.
I'm sorry. But she will be in the video soon, okay? Today's recipe is all about, let me lower this fire down. Today's recipe is all about egg and macaroni. That is a recipe that my grandmother handed down to my mother, and all of us just loved it, okay? It's a real simple recipe, and what I really like about it is, you know, on those cold nights or, you know, afternoons, and you're not feeling that well, you got that sore throat, and you're just not sure, maybe you have a stomach ache, and you say, oh man, I wish I had something that would just help me get rid of the sore throat and not feel so yucky. This is it right here. So what is it? What is the miracle behind this thing? It's not really a miracle, but what is so awesome about this? Well, it's real simple. It's the olive oil, that's extra virgin olive oil, 2 eggs, some salt, and that's a half a tablespoon of salt, and a quarter size amount of angel hair pasta. Now you can use any kind of pasta you want, but I love angel hair. So what is a quarter size? Let me show you. Take 25 cents, open your bag of pasta, and pull some out and put 25 cents up there. And hey, look, it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's about right, okay? And don't drop it.
Well, they may want 35 cents worth, so it might be a little bit more.
Hey, stuff happens, you know, this is a great video. So we're gonna start making this for you, and we'll guide you through the steps. It's really simple, so stay tuned. All right, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. You know, this recipe is all about that egg and macaroni, and with that healing power of extra virgin olive oil and some salt. Let me show you how it works. It's really simple. Check this out. We have 5 cups of boiling water, and I already started boiling it. We're going to take that quarter size amount of pasta, break it in half, and throw it in. And let's go ahead and get that heat back on, okay? And we're going to bring this to a boil and then cook it for 6 to 7 minutes until that pasta gets real tender. Now, at about the 5-minute mark, we're gonna add the olive oil. But you're gonna watch that happen as we do it, because this is real simple and it's an outstanding recipe and you're gonna love it. So let's go ahead and let this boil and let that pasta get soft, and we're coming right back, okay? So far, we've boiled the pasta for 7 minutes. It's almost done. Now come see what we're gonna do next. You see how the pasta looks? It's nice and tender. The next step, let's go ahead and put that 1/3 cup of olive oil in. Just pour it in there, you know? Get it in. Stir it around a little bit. Doesn't that look good? Anytime you add the oil or something like that, you have to kick the heat back up because it needs to be boiling, okay? And that olive oil is extra virgin. It is like some of the best I could find. And it makes a big difference on how this is going to taste. The next step is let's go ahead and put that half a tablespoon of salt in, okay? Oh, you saw that, okay. Great. Those flavors are coming together, okay? This is a simple recipe. It's so easy, but it's so tasty and it just feels good. It's one of those feel-good foods to eat, okay? So let's do this. Let's lower that fire down. I know that pasta's ready. And we're gonna take that egg. Come on and watch this.
Go back? Okay.
This is 2 large eggs whipped up. We're just gonna pour it in slow and stir it as we pour it, okay? Just stir it slow. And look at that egg start to look like little scrambled eggs up in there. Isn't that great? Just keep stirring it. The fire does not have to be high. And let's get it all in. And that's it. This is ready to eat. That's how simple this is. So, I'm turning the fire off. Move a few things out the way. Let's come in here with our ladle. Come see this. Look how nice that olive oil looks. The pasta and the egg. Let's get some in here, okay? Look at that. You know what? This is so good. It smells good. And there's one thing that I want you to know. You don't have to add chicken, parsley, garlic, or anything else. If you want to, you could experiment with it. But all the years that we've eaten this in our family and our children and my parents and my siblings, we love it just like this. That smells so good. Can you smell this? God, I wish you could. This is so good. I really wish you guys would try it soon. This is the egg and macaroni dish from the Sanders Kitchen. Don't forget, you don't have to be sick to eat this. I eat it all the time. My wife and I love this. But it is really especially good when you're not feeling well. I don't know why, it just is. And I love making it. And I love eating it. So let's give it one more little try.
Look at that. Doesn't it look good?
It's really hot, but it's delicious. Thank you guys for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Plenty more recipes are coming this way for you, and and maybe later on I'll actually know how to end this video, but it's okay because it's all good. Okay, let me know if you make it. I think you'll love it. Okay, God bless you, and thanks again for watching.